Millipedes are fascinating creatures that have been roaming the earth for hundreds of millions of years. These creepy-crawlies are not insects but belong to a separate group called Myriapoda, which includes centipedes and scorpions. First, let's tackle their name. Millipede comes from Latin words mille, meaning thousand, and pes, meaning foot. Millipedes, however, usually don't have over 1,000 legs. Their actual leg count varies, but they typically have anywhere from 30 to 400 legs. Now, onto their appearance. Millipedes have a cylindrical, segmented body, sometimes curled up when disturbed or when drying out. Each segment houses a pair of legs, with the segments near the head carrying the millipede's eyes and mouthparts. Their color ranges from brown to dark red, although there are some species sporting bright hues like blue or yellow. So, how do millipedes move? Unlike their quick-moving centipede cousins, millipedes shuffle along slowly, one leg at a time. Some species can only move a few inches per minute, but the larger ones can travel faster, averaging about a foot per minute. Speaking of moving, millipedes have another trick up their sleeve. They can roll into a ball when threatened. This defensive maneuver protects their soft body from predators. Millipedes play an essential role in the ecosystem. They feed on decaying matter, such as leaves, dead plants, and even other insects. This helps break down organic matter and recycle nutrients back into the soil. Interestingly, millipedes possess a chemical defense mechanism. When threatened, they exude a foul-smelling, toxic liquid from their joints. This deterrent often discourages predators from going after them. To sum up, millipedes are fascinating creatures with their segmented bodies, numerous legs, and unique abilities. Next time you come across one of these wiggly wonders, remember that they are important players in maintaining a balanced ecosystem and have evolved incredible defenses to keep themselves safe.